Hello everyone, welcome to Red9SysTech. Today we are going to look into one of the most important interview question when you go for attend any Java interview, which is nothing but what is the difference between interface and abstract class, right? So we have seen what is an interface, how we have to use interface, and what actually it is going to do, and also we have seen what is an abstract class and what are the abstract methods, how it actually doing the program, and we have separate videos in our previous session. So if you guys haven't watched those videos, and the link has been shared in the top right corner, please go through those links and you will get in and out of those concepts. But here we are mainly focusing on just to understand what are all the differences between interface and abstract class. So I have written the points, like almost like 7 points, which is very useful to clearly understand about the differences between interface and abstract class. So let me go through one by one. So interface, let's say when should I go to when should I go for interface, or when should I go for abstract class? So if I don't know anything about the implementation, then I can go for interface, because in interface all the methods I am going to declare it, but I am not going to implement it. So if it's a case of abstract class, if I know the partial implementation but not completely, then I can go for abstract class, because whatever the implementation I know, I can write a concrete method. If I don't know the implementation or the requirement, then I can go for a abstract method. And like every method should be public and abstract until Java 1.8. Basically in Java 1.9 onwards, so they have introduced the private methods as well. We can add it in interface. But in case of abstract class, basically we should have at least one abstract method. That is the only criteria that an abstract class should have. Okay, otherwise we can have any number of concrete class. There is nothing, no restrictions on that. The third point is that we can't declare interface method with other access modifiers like protected, final, static, synchronized, native, or strict FP. The reason is that by default the methods will be public and static, and hence public and abstract, and hence we cannot use protected, final, static, synchronized, native, and strict FP. But in case of abstract class, there is no restrictions for the method modifiers. And similarly, every variable should be public and static and final in case of interface. But in case of abstract class, there is nothing, no restriction like that. And in case of interface, the variables can't be protected, protected, transient, and volatile. But in case of abstract class, there is no restriction like that. But in case of interface, we should compulsorily we have to initialize the variables, otherwise we will get a compile time error. But in case of abstract class, there is no restrictions like that. In case of interface, we can't declare the constructors inside the interface, but in case of abstract class, we can able to declare a constructor inside the interface. So inside the abstract class. So sorry, it should be abstract class. Okay, so these are all the main differences between interface and abstract class. So definitely this will be a question if you go for attend any Java interview, and this is something like whatever we have learned. This is a summary of the difference between interface and abstract class. So I hope you guys can able to understand and correlate all these points with the previous video session what we had. And if you guys have any question regarding this particular concept, please post your comments in the comment section. I will clarify that. And if you guys like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to get the more video updates. I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.